To make this kundan based earring, here are the list of items that are required.
Once you have gathered the material, now paste this kundan onto the sheet. For this design, I am using 2 layers of silver rhinestone followed by 2 layers of pearl rhinestone. Keep repeating the process.
Finish your design by adding this half pearl beads. Trim the sheet and attach the earring post. If you have liked this design, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.